Another day, another adventure. Today we are heading to Karuru Waterfalls. We are first going to start with an 8-kilometer trek all the way to Royol Summit and later on chase Karuru Waterfalls and Magura Waterfalls. Stay tuned and follow, like and share our page.
So we're now at National Oil. This is Ganyangero. We're headed to Matubio Gate. So make sure to join us next time as we do this. So good morning.
Good morning. At the summit, at the starting point of the Karuru Falls trek, we are about to trek 8 kilometers up so that we can start chasing the 3 waterfalls.
Are you scared of the hike?
No, I'm not scared.
Good.
At Royol Summit Camp, and you are ready to discover the new trail as we head to Karuru Falls.
Ready? You look scared.
Yeah, we are here.
The two famous bush photographers. Good, perfect. So good morning. This is Royol Summit starting point. This is a new trail all the way up to Karuru Waterfalls. The group is psyched up, ready for the day, and looking forward to chase Karuru Waterfalls, Magura and Chania. Keep in touch. I've done like 500 meters of our trek. You see the beauty. The kind of beauty that you miss when you decide to stay at home and not show up for a hike. Look around. Just look at the trees, the vegetation.
Enjoying? Yeah, welcome to Karuru Forest. And it's a bit challenging, as you can see, to cross. Yeah, we are deep in the forest, heading to Karuru Waterfalls in a few. As you can hear, we have taken the cow's trail. We have to go back.
Indian movies are very interesting, eh? And there's a lot of dancing.
Yeah, you guys start thinking that all Muindis dance on the road.
You actually know you are a very good dancer. Keep going up, and we are now headed to the Matubio Gate. We started the hike down there at Royol Summit. So far we have covered around 6 km. 2 more to go. The team still energetic. Now we are using the road all the way up. Proceed to Karuru Falls, then Magura, then we go home for Nyamachoma. So wadau, there goes our Mount Kinangop, Mother Kinangop, toughest hike in Aberdare. So as we do it in Q2, make sure that you join the team, join the community. Let's unpack it.
almost there.
So suppose I'll take a photo of you before I help you up when you fall down.
I'm a hiker, of course. I'll always smile for the camera, even though she's getting tough inside.
Now approaching Matubio Gate. From here we are going to clear with the KWS guys, then we proceed all the way to Karuru Falls. Hike for some kilometers or so to the falls, then back. And then again we proceed to Magura Falls. So far we have done 8 kilometers from the starting point. So that's the gate. So we are now at Matubio Gate. Now I'm confused. So this is the KWS office. And we are clearing, then we proceed to Karuru Waterfalls, then Magura Waterfalls. So by the end of the day, we are looking to chase 2 waterfalls. We have so far done 8 km.
After clearing with the KWS offices at Matubio, we then drove for approximately 10 kilometers all the way to the parking of Karuru Waterfalls, where we left our car and proceeded to the waterfall.
Right, we are at Karuru Falls. It's around 12 p.m. Stay tuned. Cushy adventure.
Discover a new waterfall, guys. Yes, it's a waterfall there.
Camera and smile, even though I'm going to be pain.
I'm a hiker. Wake up at 2.
I'm a hiker, I'm a photographer. I will always capture the best moment.
Of course, I'm a hiker. I'll take a photograph of you when you fall before I help you up.
Of course, I'm a hiker. I'll always tell you that we are almost to the summit, even if it's 10 kilometers away from where we are.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with
So today we are at Karuru Waterfalls. One point where you can see the fall, and on the far end you can spot there's another waterfall. Very far. And so now we proceed to Magura Waterfall after this. Then we proceed on all back to Nairobi.
From Karuru, we proceeded for another 6 kilometers all the way to Magura Waterfalls in Queen's Cave for another beautiful view.
So we now headed to Magura Waterfalls. It's 500 meters from where we are.
mystery. Are the ones who ever gave up on love. If you love me, I will love you harder. Yo, baby, talk to me, yo, let me be your lover. Yeah, baby, you bad, baby, you bad. You got me going mad, I'm going mad. And every day I pray that you never walk away, baby. For your love got me for your love. Yeah, you got me fighting for your love, oh. Yeah, for your love, oh. Got me fighting for your love, your love. Yeah, my love, you're my love. For your love, oh. Girl, this love, oh, I can never have enough of. For your love, oh, oh, baby, oh, yeah, you're my love. Let me be the one that you hold on as we go down in history. Are the ones who ever gave up on love. If you love me, I will love you harder. Yo, baby, talk to me, yo, let me be your lover. Yeah, baby, you bad, baby, you bad. You got me going mad, I'm going mad. And every day I pray that you never walk away, baby. For your love got me for your love. Yeah, you got me fighting for your love, oh. Yeah, for your love, oh. Got me fighting for your love, your love. Yeah, my love, you're my love. For your love, oh. Girl, this love, oh, I can never.
This is one place you don't want to miss out. Make sure you visit this hike and check the waterfalls. We have Karuru, Magura, and enchanting. This every weekend. Join the Kush Adventures community for more of this. Gonna there to Magura. So nice, and you can see the waterfall is down there. So we are coming from.
You come from good, and I don't know what to do. I try to stay occupied. I try to put it all aside. I try. Still, it's no use.
On our drive back to Matubio Gate, we came across this beautiful elephant. It was 100 meters away from the road, and it was very peaceful, minding its own business, and we took some time to admire the beauty that was in front of us.
Baby, 'cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy. Are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you? Just the other day I seen you. We caught it for a little while. You told me you were doing just fine, man. It was good to see you smile.
Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Join us for our weekly adventure trips to different destinations in Kenya. Join the Kush Adventures community for more of this. We are the hikers.
I try to put it all aside. I try.